Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to delete apps on your Windows laptop. Whether you need to free up space or just remove programs you don't use anymore, this is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open Windows settings by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or just search for Settings in the search bar. Now, click on Apps from the menu on the left side. Then click on Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. You'll see a complete list of all the programs and apps installed on your laptop. Okay, scroll through the list and find the app you want to delete. Once you find it, click on the three dots next to it, then select Uninstall. You might also see an Uninstall button right there. Click on it. Here's the thing. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to uninstall the app. Just click Uninstall again to confirm. Some apps might open their own uninstaller, so just follow the prompts and click through until it's completely removed. If you can't find the app in Settings, you can also search for Control Panel and uninstall apps from the Applications section. And that's it. The app is now completely removed from your laptop. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.